name of the sculpture is Smoke. It's a sculpture by Tony Smith.
It was so spectacular at the Corcoran in 1967 that they included it on the cover of Time magazine. It was very influential in terms of monumental sculpture. That hadn't been done before.
Everything is bolted together from the inside. Cavers who used to tight spaces, they crawl from one unit to the other, making up these connections.
Tony was very interested in science and geometry, and I think that really influenced his sculpture.
He was using these geometric forms as components to be a structure that's almost infinite. He believed in public projects and the general public would see art.
I think the scale of the piece works well with the building. The surfaces reflect the sky sometimes, so it's painted black, but it's not a black sculpture.
I think it's perfect in Doha. I think it's beautiful on this plaza. It's the perfect setting for Smoke.